Everyone, how are you? Today we are going to solve problem number 125, which is valid palindrome. So what they are asking is you have to find a valid palindrome. Now what is a palindrome? Palindrome is something when you reverse a string, the string remains same. For example, ABA. So if you reverse this string, it is same. And now this, right? So in this case, there is one small trick. They were saying you have to only consider alphanumeric characters. So it means they are going to pass you commas, another thing, maybe like something like this, right? So what you have to do is you have to ignore those things. And the other thing you have to do is you have to convert this into lowercase first. So let's start coding. So let me zoom in. Okay, so the first thing is what we will do is we'll convert this into lowercase. Now what we will do is we will use a regular expression to convert this into to only consider alphanumeric characters. So s is equal to re dot sub, and then what will be our regular expression? It will be a to z and 0 to 9, but and then what we are doing, we are actually replacing it with null, and this is our string, and here we have to say if something which is not equal to a to 0 0 to 9, replace it with blank. That's it. Now in this case, for valid palindrome, we are going to learn one trick. That trick is a two pointer. So in most of the problems, sometimes you have to create two pointer to solve the problem. So here that's the case, right? So what we will do is, one way to do this is, what you can do is you can take this string and say s is equal to s minus 1. If this is equal to, then it is a valid palindrome, otherwise you return false. But interviewer will not be happy with it, so what you have to do is you have to use a two pointer approach. One is, what you do is declare left is equal to 0, and then right is equal to length of s minus 1, and then we will check if left is less than right. So here what we are doing is we are having two pointers, one is left, one is right, and then we will start shifting. So if this is equal to this, then we'll shift both the pointers, left to increment and right to minus 1, right? So what will be our process? Our process is left plus 1 and right minus equal to 1. Now before this, what we will do is we will check if s is left is not equal to s of right, then we will return false. Else at the end you will return true. Now let me zoom back and then run this. See, this is successful, and submit it. This is successful, faster than 99.5%. And now what is the complexity of this algorithm? The complexity of this algorithm is big O of n, because we are just scanning that array once. It is actually n by 2 because you are trying to squeeze it from both the directions, and by some time you'll reach half. So it is n by 2, which is equal to O of n. Thank you guys. If you like my channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.